In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see liked photos on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then right here hit at your profile picture. Then tap at three lines and select your activity. You will be taken to this page where you should find interactions, and that's where you can find all your interactions with all the Instagram content, including comments, likes, story replies, reviews, and not interested category. If you want to see the photos that you have liked, just tap at likes, and that will show you all the photos, all the reels on Instagram that you have ever liked, so you can just scroll down to see those photos and reels. And if you want, you can open up any photo or any reel just like that, and you can check this photo again. You can leave a comment, or if you want, you can unlike it, just like that. Also, if we go back here, we can tap at sort and filter, and we can sort the liked content by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Also, you can hit at author and filter that content by author, just like that. And then you can hit at apply to filter the content. Also, you can select start date and end date if you want to search liked photos and reels for a specific period of time. If you want to reset those filters, just hit at reset, then hit at apply, and then if you want to delete multiple likes at the same time, you can first off hit at select, then just check mark some reels or photos that you want to unlike, and then towards the bottom just hit at unlike, then confirm it, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.